What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. The weather is hot and sunny. I don't have to go to school, so I can relax and play with my friends. I usually go swimming or visit my grandparents. I like summer because I feel free and happy. It's a great time to enjoy outdoor activities.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What is the weather like in summer?
It is hot and sunny.
Do you go to school in summer?
No, I don't.
What do you usually do in summer?
I relax and play with my friends.
Where do you sometimes go?
I go swimming or visit my grandparents.
Why do you like summer?
Because I feel free and happy.
What do you enjoy in summer?
I enjoy outdoor activities.